All right, let's unbox this.
Tori, you've got to do a cold open.
Nico, I really want to try out the new Quest Pro. Do we have to? I just want to unbox this.
The show's like 7 minutes long. We can't skip ahead.
Fine, Nico, you're ruining my whole reality. I wish I could go to virtual reality instead with the new MetaQuest Pro.
Not your best.
Get out of here! Let's just unbox this!
Now that feels like a cold open.
This is getting too meta. Let's just unbox this. What's up, y'all? I'm Tori, and welcome to another episode of Unbox This. You've never experienced the limits of virtual reality until you've done it with the Quest Pro. In addition to better color, audio, controllers, and hardware, the Quest Pro makes the entire VR experience more enjoyable with its innovations in comfort and style. There are new advanced haptics built right into the controllers that make virtual interactions feel just like they do in real life. You're also getting a beefy piece of tech with 256 gigabytes of internal storage, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 10 advanced VR MR sensors, spatial audio, and so much more. There's also I can't wait any longer. Let's unbox this. This has so much plastic on it that I'm very excited about it. MetaQuest Pro. Oh wow, this is it feels like a case. Wow. Oh my god, already the design feels way different than the previous generation. This truly feels like I'm holding the future in my hands right now. So here's your actual headset itself. You have your short little guide on how to start it, turn it on, things like that. God, this is nice. Ooh. And then here are the controllers themselves. I've played with the MetaQuest in the past before, and these do feel a little bit lighter. And then in here is your protective cover. Oh, okay, on your actual glasses part. So here is your power brick. I mean, I might as well peel all this stuff off. Oh, you get your little cleaning cloth in here. You have your controller cables as well as your charging dock cables that will go along with your power brick. Taking a look to see if there's other stuff. Ah, okay, so here's your charging dock for your MetaQuest. You even have these blinders that you can attach to your MetaQuest. That way you can block your peripheral vision so you can fully immerse yourself in VR. And here are the stylus tips. They feel both durable and they'll allow you to draw in VR when attached to your controller. And that's all that comes in your MetaQuest Pro kit here. And have your headset, plus your controllers, all of the protective gear, your cabling, plus the stylus tips and the charging dock. This is a full kit here so that you can play and put yourself in virtual reality. I'm ready for this. Let's freaking do this! The MetaQuest Pro is a huge upgrade to any virtual reality system you've encountered before. Let's start with what's inside the headset. Compared to the Quest 2, you'll be getting 4 times the resolution to really experience the full color mixed reality. You can bounce between VR worlds and the physical world thanks to the stereoscopic mixed reality pass-through, which combines both multiple sensor views to create a natural view of the world in 3D. Meaning you get a way more comfortable experience with less distortion and better depth perception for both close-up and room scale mixed reality. All this plus an eye relief adjustment where you can change the lens spacing to ensure better visual quality and less eye strain. This is also the first Meta device with Wi-Fi 6E, the fastest on the market. This enables up to 1.6 gigabits per second of blazing fast throughput. It's gonna be real speedy. And the controllers are even better than ever. These include 3 cameras and a Snapdragon mobile processor in each controller. You get a full 360-degree range of motion and more precise motion to create a more intuitive VR feel. Controllers? More like hands! And the true touch haptic feedback means that your environment will behave way more like how you interact in real life. I can't wait any longer. Let's give this headset a try! So right now, what I can see is just our entire studio, which it feels like I shouldn't be able to because I'm wearing this thing on my face. So I feel like I should be bumping into things, but I'm not. We're jumping into a roller coaster right now. Oh my god, I'm in a roller coaster. Ugh, I like have the chills because it feels like I'm in the mountains right now. So right now it has this helmet on me to prevent any sort of motion sickness, which is nice. Oh my god! Whee! Whee! I'm in love? I'm in love. Yeah, I'm in love. Yes! See, this is also the weird part with all of the new cameras that are on both the controllers and the MetaQuest itself. You can see the room that you're in so that you're not bumping into anything. Hi, Dan. You gotta wave. There's Alex over there. Here's our whole set. You get to see Unbox This super close. Should we go check out some other things? Let's go take a quick look real quick.
Why? Every time! Every
We're not
time!
doing it. We're not doing it, Ricky.
Oh!
My gosh. Special
is that what I
guest
think it is?
Here.
Hi.
Zoom in, zoom in.
This is the future.
She's talking to us from the future.
Yeah, because you should be able to see me.
Ricky.
Plenty of pass-through on that.
You'll see it in Unboxes next week. Bye. I'm exhausted, and I love this, and I love VR. Good job, MetaQuest. If you want to pick up the all-new MetaQuest Pro for yourself, check out the links in the description below. And while you're there, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an episode? Thank you so much for watching. We just unboxed this. Was that okay, Nico?
You know, actually, I do have a few notes. You could.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, why I yada?